Welcome to AER-USA. In this video, we're showcasing our top-of-the-line circulators, the Rio and the Brio series. Let's dive into how these systems can transform your water management processes. First up, meet the Rio. This powerful circulator is designed to enhance water quality, destratify, and distribute air or pure oxygen across large bodies of water. Whether you're dealing with stagnant water in aquaculture systems, reservoirs, public parks, or lakes, the Rio is your solution. It's perfect for controlling algae growth and preventing ice formation. With options for 1 or 2 horsepower, the Rio can circulate between 528,000 and 792,000 gallons of water per hour, making it ideal for high-capacity needs. Plus, it's available in various voltages to fit a wide range of systems, with robust stainless steel or galvanized steel frames to suit your environment. Now let's talk about the Brio. This smaller, versatile circulator is great for oxygenating and destratifying water in medium to large bodies. The Brio can be mounted from 1 to 32 feet below the water's surface and can be angled to point upwards or downwards based on your needs. It comes with different motor specifications, ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 horsepower, ensuring it fits seamlessly with your existing electrical setup. For surface applications, we have the Brio AUX 44 and Brio AUX 47. These circulators and degassers are designed to provide efficient oxygenation with low power consumption. They pull water in and push it to the surface, helping with destratification while avoiding a surface-only effect. Lightweight and durable, these models are suitable for both fresh and saltwater environments. Their compact design allows the motor to be tilted to create a spray effect, enhancing oxygenation and degassing. They also come with optional conveyors for directing flow and can be equipped with floating or dock mount supports for flexible installation. At AER-USA, we're committed to providing solutions that meet your water management needs with efficiency and reliability. Thanks for watching, and for more information about our circulators and other products, visit our website or follow us on social media. We'll see you there.